Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Cream and Curry, your one stop for all the recipes you need. Today we are making caramel custard in a kadhai, so do give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Share your views in the comment section and do subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. For this recipe you need half a liter of milk, 250 grams of sugar, 3 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence or pure vanilla extract. So first we'll start with the caramel. So in a non-stick pan, I'm adding 200 grams of sugar, that's 1 cup of sugar, and to this I will add 3 tablespoons of water to make the caramel. Guys, when you're making the caramel, just make sure that you do not make it on a high flame, make it on a very low flame, and don't start stirring the caramel initially, let it boil. And after some time, when you reach this kind of consistency, when the water has started evaporating, that time use a silicone spatula or a wooden spatula and just stir the caramel, but make sure that you don't use a steel spatula, don't use those. And when you reach that golden color, that is the time you know that your caramel is about to just be ready. So do give it a stir, and at this point you will see that it is all bubbly, but after just a minute or even 30 seconds less, you will see that the color has changed. So now you see this is the golden syrupy color we were looking for. So your caramel is now ready. So you just prepare your tin and give it a quick stir again, but do not turn off the gas, but at the same time make sure that you don't burn the caramel, because at this stage the caramel does get burned. So pour the caramel in a cake tin, and I have used an 8-inch tin, and let the caramel cool completely, because you don't want to add the custard to a hot caramel. That way the caramel is going to mix with the custard and you won't get that golden top. So in a bowl I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So first I'm going to add half a liter of milk to this, and to this I'm going to add the eggs. Make sure that the milk and eggs are at room temperature. Do not add cold eggs or cold milk, because then there's a very high chance that the custard will go bad. So don't do that. And to this we are going to add some vanilla extract. 1 tablespoon is more than enough. Do not add more, because then it will have a very strong essence and you don't want that. So guys, I'm going to add 5 tablespoons of sugar. So for 1 egg, 1 tablespoon of sugar. You don't want the custard to be very sweet, because you have the caramel as well. So just add 5 tablespoons of sugar to this. 1 egg is equal to 1 tablespoon of sugar. Give it a good mix and make sure that everything is dissolved properly. And after that, we're going to take our custard mix and we are going to pour this into our prepared caramel. See, the caramel has hardened completely. So now we're going to put up a strainer and now just pour the custard to this. Once you pour the custard, just take a sheet of aluminium foil and secure your cake tin, or custard tin rather, and secure the edges properly. So just once you're done with this, now in a kadhai just add some water and let it boil for some time, and add a plate or a wire rack like I have done, and put your custard tin to this and cover it with a lid and let it steam for 40 to 45 minutes. Now after 45 minutes, let it cool completely at room temperature for 2 hours, and after that refrigerate it for a minimum of 4 hours, or even overnight is good. And then run a palette knife, butter knife towards the edges to loosen up, and then voila, your custard is all ready. And just give it a little jiggle and you'll see that the custard will turn out really nicely. Now guys, when you will take out the custard from the kadhai, you will see that it's a little jiggly in the middle, but that does not mean that it is raw. It just means that it needs a little time to set up. So the custard is ready. I hope you guys like this custard and do give it a try at home.